Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful leaf drop earrings. This pattern is easy, beginner friendly and looks elegant once finished. If you prefer written instructions, the PDF pattern with clear step-by-step photos is available to purchase in my YouTube shop. The purchase link is mentioned in the description box. Let's get started. This is the material I'm going to be using today. This is 100% cotton along with the 1.75mm crochet hook. Let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice like this to make the magic ring, and make sure that you leave a longer tail on the open side because we need the magic ring to be a little bit bigger like this. And then I'm going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then I'm going to work 20 single crochets inside the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now I have completed 2 single crochets over here. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And then I'm going to pull this tail a little to close the magic ring. Just like this, don't pull it very tight. And then I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round. So insert the hook into the very first single crochet of the round, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to work over this tail on the second round so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Chain 1 to start with the second round, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet into each one of the first 3 stitches. We will start from the very first base stitch over here where this chain comes from. So insert the hook into the same base stitch here and work a single crochet. Again, work 1 single crochet into the second stitch and 1 single crochet into the third stitch. After that, I'm going to work 1 half double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Again, another half double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again, work 1 more half double crochet into the next stitch as well. And then we will work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again another double crochet into the very next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again one more double crochet into the next stitch as well. And then I'm going to work 3 treble crochets into the next stitch. All 3 treble crochets into the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again work another treble crochet into the very same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again work one more treble crochet into the same stitch, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. 3 treble crochets into the same stitch. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the base stitch over here. So insert the hook into both the loops in the base stitch like this, and then yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Then again work 3 treble crochets into the very next stitch as well. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch and work the treble crochet. Again 1 treble crochet into the same stitch, again 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. So we have completed 3 treble crochets into the same stitch. Then again work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And then work 1 half double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Again 1 single crochet into each one of the last 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm at the end of the second round, and then I'm going to join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. So insert the hook into the first single crochet of the round, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that I have completed the second round. And then chain 1, leave a little tail, and I'm going to cut the yarn off. And then we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Hiru Handmade Crochet page, and message me anytime if you have any questions. Before attaching the earring hooks, you can stiffen the earrings if you like. Use a water-based glue Dilute it slightly with water and apply it evenly over the crochet piece. Shape it nicely and let it dry completely. Once it's fully dry, attach the jump rings and earring hooks to complete your earrings. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making these leaf crochet earrings with me. Don't forget to check the PDF pattern in my YouTube shop and follow me on Facebook to stay connected. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting!